Now we are going to start the new chapter, linear equation with two variables. Before starting this chapter, we should know the meaning of linear and equation. Here, the first word is linear. What is the meaning of the linear here? The linear means the variable whose power is 1. The linear means the variable whose power is 1. For example, x is a variable. Here is nothing is mentioned, nothing is given. Understood, his power is 1. If the x has power 2, it is not a linear. This is not a linear. The second word is equation. What is equation? Anything we present in the form of equal to, less than and greater than, that is an equation. We will here discuss only the equal to in the 9th class. Less than, greater than we will discuss in the higher classes. And here next is two variables. Before discussing the two variables, we will discuss about the one variable. That is a linear equation in the one variable. How to present the linear equation in one variable? In a standard form. You can say in the mathematical form. In the mathematical form, we can present the linear equation in one variable is ax is plus b is equal to 0. Now it is clear that here the x is a variable. Here the x is variable whose power is 1. So it shows the linear. Second is equation. Is it equation? Yes. Because here the sign is equal to. It is also equation. And next is one variable. In this part, here there is only the one variable, that is the x, whose power is 1. So it is clear that ax plus b is equal to 0 is a linear equation in the one variable. A and b is a constant and fixed value, and a is a coefficient of the x here. Now we are going to take an example of the linear equation in one variable. Three x minus 15 is equal to 0. First we will prove that this equation is a linear equation in one variable. Here there is only the one variable, that is x, whose power is 1. It is clear that it is a linear, and it is clear that there is only one variable. Second is it equation? Yes, because here the sign is equal to. So it is clear that this is the equation of linear equation in the one variables. Linear equation in the one variable has only one solution. You can say unique solution. How can you solve this equation how can you solve this linear equation in the one variables? Here the 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. This is a linear equation in the one variable. 3x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 over 3. That is the 5. Here x is equal to the 5. Has a unique solution, has only the one solutions. So it is clear that linear equation in the one variable has only the one solution or the unique solutions. Not so many. Linear equation in the one variable, we already discussed how to present the linear equation in the one variables in the mathematical form. That is ax plus b is equal to 0. We already take the example 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. Now we are going to explain it here. The a is equal to 3. Here the 3 is a coefficient of x. B is equal to minus 15. Here is a constant, and we already discussed that how to solve, how to get the value of the x is 15 over 3. That is a 15. Fine. So we are going to start the next topic of the linear equation. That is the linear equation in the two variables. How to present the linear equation in the two variables. In the mathematical form or the standard form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. First we will discuss about this equation. Okay, is it linear? Is it equation? Or in this equation there are two variables? The three things are there. Two variables, linear and equation. First, here there are two variables is x and y, and whose power is 1. And equal to shows the equation, and a is a coefficient of x and b is a coefficient of y and c is a constant. So A, B and C are the real numbers. So it is clear this is a linear equation in that is linear equation of the two variables. And variable has the power 1. Let us take an example. 3x plus 5y minus 15 is equal to 0. Here the x and y are the two variables whose power is 1 because nothing is mentioned about power. 3 is a coefficient of x and 5 is a coefficient of y and c is a constant here. Now we are going to describe all this figure. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to minus 15. A, B, C are the real numbers. It is clear. I have already discussed about the linear equation in the one variables. Linear equation in the one variable has only the one solution. X has only the one solutions. Here there is only the one variable. Has a definite solution, has a unique solution. But linear equation in the two variables has a multiple solutions, has a infinite solutions. How to calculate the value of the x and y? If a and b is 3 and 5 and c is minus 15. You can't calculate the value of the x and y like this. We will just take the supposition, we will just take the assumptions here. You have to take the first assumption, you have to take first supposition that the value of x is 0, find the value of the y. If the value of the x is 1, value of y. If the value of the x is 2, what is the value of the y? If the value of x is 3, what is the value of y? So, infinite solution of the x and y. You can assume any value of x and the value of y is different in every step. Let's take an example. Here the value of the x is 0. X is 0. What is the value of the y here? We are going to solve here. Here 3 multiplied 0 is 0 plus 5y is equal to 15. 5y is equal to 15 over y is equal to 15 over 5. That is a 3. When we assume the x is 0, y is equal to 3. Now next, now we discuss about and we will calculate the value of x and y. We assume that x is equal to 0. If we assume that x is equal to 0, the value of the y is 3. Is it clear? First we will assume that x is equal to 0, then the value of the y is 3. Now let's take an assumption that x is equal to 1. If we assume that x is equal to 1, put the value of the x here. Then the value of the y is 12 over 5. Then again, let's assume that x is equal to 2. Then find the value of the y here. Then the value of the y is 9 over 5. Let's take fourth one. Say x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, if you put the value of the x is equal to 3, let's solve it. Then the value of the y is 6 over 5. And so on. So it is clear that you can suppose any value of the x, the value of the y will change. You can take any value of x is equal to 4, x is equal to 5 and so on. The value of y will be different. So linear equation, the two variables, has infinites and the many solutions. Have so many solutions of two variables. The next topic is, if the value of the x and y are given, how to make the linear equation. In the previous lecture we already discussed about that. The linear equation is given and we will assume the value of the x 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 and so on, and we will get the value of the y. But here the value of the x and y are given, and how to make the linear equation? Here is the point. Let's take an example. Here the points are given 2 and 4. 2 and 4 means 2 belongs to the x and 4 belongs to the y. It means x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4 is given in the question. How many linear equations you can make when the value of x is 2 and when the value of y is 4? Infinites. In the same way, the value of x and y are infinites, the linear equations are also infinites if the value of x and y are given. Let's try. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. Let's take x plus y. Put the value of x here 2 and put the value of y here 4. That is 6. It means the first equation is x plus y is equal to 6. This is the first linear equation. Let's take any other assumption. Say 2x plus 3y. Put the value of the x and 3y in this equation. We just take the supposition 2x plus 3y. You can assume any equation. 2x plus 3y. Put the value of x here. That's 2 multiplied 2 plus 3 multiplied 4. That is 4 plus 12 is equal to 16. The second equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 16. This is the second linear equation. Then next, let's take another example. 3x plus 5y. 3x plus 5y. Put the value of x and y in this equation. Now we will get 3 multiplied 2 plus 5 multiplied 4. That is 6 plus 20 is equal to 26. It means the 3x plus 5y is equal to 26. Third linear equations. And so on. If the value of the x and y given, if the points of x and y given in the bracket, it means the first value belongs to the x, second value belongs to the y. You can assume any equation and put that value in that equation. That equation will become like this way. Just we will first already took the example. X plus y, put the value of x here, 2 and 4 is equal to 6. First equation is, linear equation is x plus y is equal to 6. Then let's took another example, 2x plus 3y, put the value of x and put the value of y here. Then we will get, after solving this is 16, the second linear equation. And next, we already took the 3x plus 5y, put the value of here x and y, and we got the values 26. Now the third equation is 3x plus 5y is equal to 26, and so on. So if the value of x and y is given, so many linear equations you can get. So infinites linear equations, infinites many solutions are there. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Academics in Infinity and press the bell button for the notification.